That's an interesting question, and I think the best way to answer is through a framework. And we have seen telcos which have a structured framework based approach to monetizing. They're able to allocate resources accordingly. And the framework is as follows. We think that there are three broad buckets of how networks will allocate their efforts. One is on their existing assets, through which they have existing monetization activities, just pure wireless and wireline efforts. Then you have existing assets on which you are building in new use cases. And then there are, of course, new assets which are being rolled out, significantly 5G over the last few years. So EE, existing assets, existing revenue sources; EN, which is existing assets and new sources; and NN, which is new network assets and new ways to monetize. And if you really think of it, on all these three, there are either consumers, enterprise, or government as the three buyers. So if you really think about it, networks have to allocate their resources in this so-called sort of 3x3 matrix in a very, very meaningful and well thought through way. So if I were to pick up, say, one slice of this 3x3 network, and we were to pick up, say, net new ways to monetize, along with, say, enterprise customers, then in some markets we are seeing folks are looking at cybersecurity as a new way to monetize customers who are already buying, network and transport from them. When you look at net new investments and net new ways to monetize for the B2C enterprise, we are seeing people are using wallets very meaningfully on their mobile super apps to exchange cash at some points of time. Especially in emerging markets, we are seeing this incredibly well. So all in all, I think there is a sort of a 3x3 which is happening over here between existing, new, and net new across B2C, B2B, and B2G markets. And that sort of spins a beautiful possibility on which folks like us at Tech Mahindra are really driving our energies and our efforts to unlock the value in this market. We welcome you to have a word with us at the Mobile World Conference on any and each and every element of this 3x3 matrix. And then we will tell you a little bit more about how you've got to simplify all of your assets, modernize them, and eventually monetize across this 3x3 matrix. It is a build-up, and hope you get an opportunity to meet us and see what we are talking about.